take a picture of the volcano, not the little... Oh, you want me to...
I'm just trying to get all of the little figurines before they get melted by
lava.
Magma. All hand
Well,
carved.
technically it'll be lava once it's outside the volcano.
Right.
Haha.
Nice.
You gotta get the deer.
The deer, the little family of deer.
Oh, it's because I'm
And
standing
then over here we have the insects.
Yeah.
Magma chamber. I like it.
Then we can label what kind of volcano.
And we got the composite volcano. All right, little forest and yeah. There you go.
You're supposed to keep them all in the tube.
You guys want to wait till you have an audience?
Okay. Oh my gosh, she's a
Oh, you killed the deer. Aww.